Don't want your phone connected to your Windows computer anymore. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off Phone Link. We'll go through several options, including disconnecting your phone, disabling background access, and stopping Phone Link from launching automatically. So let's get started. Start by opening Phone Link on your Windows computer. If your phone is currently connected, you'll see its status on the main dashboard. Open the Settings menu inside Phone Link and find your connected device. Choose the option to remove or disconnect your phone. This immediately stops Phone Link from syncing with that device. If you're using an Android phone, you can also open the link to Windows settings on your phone and switch the feature off. On Samsung devices, you'll usually find it under Connected Devices. Yeah, this prevents your phone from reconnecting automatically. If you don't want Phone Link opening every time Windows starts, open the Startup App settings in Windows and turn Phone Link off. The app will still be installed, but it won't launch automatically. You can also stop Phone Link notifications without removing the app. Open Phone Link settings or Windows notification settings and disable notifications if you no longer want alerts from your phone. This is a good option if you only want fewer interruptions. If you decide to use Phone Link again later, simply open the app, sign in with your Microsoft account if needed, and reconnect your phone by following the setup instructions. The setup process is quick and easy, and that's how to turn off Phone Link on Windows. Whether you're disconnecting your phone temporarily or stopping automatic syncing, you can always reconnect whenever you need it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tutorials and helpful technology guides, and I'll see you in the next video.